Okay, now we need to create, or now first we need to create our db.php file. Okay, so we need to create a file called db.php which will interact with the database. Okay, so we interact or establish a connection with the database. Okay, so let's create that. So for that I'll just create one more folder, a name called config. Okay, yeah. Okay, so inside this config I will create a file, php file called db.php. Save it. Okay, now let's go to our php myadmin. Okay, here you can see I have created a database with the name php pdocrud, and inside that I will create a table. We want 5 fields. Okay, one for id, second one is for title, then description, category, and date. Okay, so we have to create 5 fields to store these details, these 5 details. Okay, so I'll just increment the value here from 4 to 5, and then I'll give it a name as posts. Okay, then I'll click on go. id, title, then description, and then category, then date. Published on. Okay, this one is of the type date, and then this one is varchar, and this one is varchar as well, and then title varchar, and id is teacher. Okay, and then here 200 as this one, 200 as well. Okay, so we don't want any limit for this. Okay, this one is auto incremented and set as primary key. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, so now we have created a table. Here you can see the table structure. The id, title, id is the primary key, title, description, category, and published on. Okay, which is of the date type. Okay, now we have created a table, and now let's try to create or establish a connection with our database. Post equals to 7.0.0.1. Okay, and then username, root. Okay, and then password will be nothing, and then database name will be php pdocrud. Okay, that's the name of our database. And now we'll check, we'll see, establish the data connection, DSN. Okay, MySQL host, okay, host, host, and then okay, db name, okay, db name will be our database name. Okay, and then we'll store PDO connection, create a PDO object which will be referring throughout our cloud application, video or DSL, and then username, then password. Okay, and then we will check if connection successfully gets established with our database or not. Okay, if our connection didn't get established successfully with our database, then it will display an error message as connection failure. Okay, MySQL connect error, and else we will give them a message as connection established successfully. Okay, save it, and now let's refresh. Okay, it's not displaying anything because we have created our db.php file to make a connection with our database, but we have not used this file inside our index.php file. Just copy and just put it here, and then here it should be db, which is present inside config folder. Okay, now let's see. It is displaying syntax error expected. Okay, on line 9. Okay, here, save it. Okay, now call to undefined function MySQL connect error. Okay, MySQL okay, it's displaying me connection failure. Okay, so what is the name of our database? PHP PDO CRUD. PHP PDO CRUD. Okay, that's right. Host SQL colon host. Okay, then host. Okay, yeah, this one is correct. Then db name. Okay, db name, username, here DSL, username, then password. Okay, yeah, I should check with the not condition. Okay, so now it will display me connection established successfully. Okay, so if I change the name of my database to something else which is not present, does not exist, now it will throw me an error. Okay, and uncaught exception, video exception with message. Okay, so it will throw me an error because it's not able to identify this database which is not present. Okay, so now let's refresh. Okay, now it's displaying me correct message. So now let's delete it. Okay, now we have successfully managed to establish a connection with our database.
So I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful and valuable information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, and thanks for watching.